So if you've been looking around Frisco and just can't find nothing in Frisco for 320, guys, this one right here, it's about 30 minutes from Frisco. And it's priced at 325,000. Beautiful high ceilings. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath. I want to show you what it looks like. So let's start from the outside. And this is gonna be for all of you guys. You guys might be asking me, Rigo, where is this? Where are we at? This is gonna be in Anna. Anna is north of Frisco. You're gonna find really good options here. It's a new construction neighborhood, so I apologize if you hear a little bit of wind on the background, but this is what the property is going to look like. Obviously, this is the model home. The cool thing with this model home is that the homes are gonna come in as is, so all the upgrades would be included. Most of the inventory that I show you guys would have pretty much the upgrades already included, so it's not like you walk into the modern, there's hundreds of thousands of dollars that you have to add. None of that. This home, it comes as is. The only thing that this is just a furnished model, so you can see how it's gonna be done. Now this one's gonna be it's gonna be done around February next year, which is February 2026. And this is pretty much what it will look like. It's a 4-bed, 3 baths, about 2,200 square feet, and we would have those 20-foot ceilings in the main entrance. This would be your nice staircase, really nice. And then you would have the nice fireplace here. Obviously that's your realtor. And we would have the pretty much the dining all connected with the living room, and that's your kitchen. You guys let me know what you think about the size of the kitchen. I don't think it's pretty bad for this price point. We're at 325. Still have some really good countertop space, plus also this area. So this area would pretty much be like my little coffee area. I'm a big coffee drinker, so I would pretty much put all my stuff here and then just leave that for the cooking side. This is what it would look like. It's another point of view. And I'm a big fan of those bigger windows that they're adding into these homes. They're about 6 foot tall, so you guys can get to see exactly more natural light on your home. Check it out. It's another view. I want to show you guys, before we move on, I want to show you guys the backyard. This patio is going to be standard, so I apologize if you hear wind again, but this is going to be about the average backyard, which is not the smallest but also not the biggest. But for 326, you guys, this is really good. Really good covered patio. The thing with this area, you guys, if you're not familiar with Anna, it's about 30 minutes north of Frisco. Cool thing about this community is you're right off the highway, so you're probably gonna take just one street light and you're in the neighborhood. It's not like you have to go through many street lights just to get to your neighborhood. I hate driving. If I like driving, I only like driving in the highway. So pretty much this connects with 75, and we're literally right off 75. So if you're familiar with the Dallas area, 75 will bring you from Dallas all the way up to McKinney and all the way up to Anna. In terms of location, we're about 15 to 10 minutes from Anna. 15 to 10 minutes from McKinney. McKinney has a Target, which is 10 minutes coming from McKinney, which that would be your closest Target. There's a HEB 5 minutes from here as well. And there's a Kroger that's getting built, literally walking distance from here. So really exciting things that are coming to this neighborhood. And let me show you guys the rest. So most of these homes are gonna be what's called spec homes. So basically they come in as is, meaning you can't add or pick and choose much of the home. So they would come in as is, and then you would just see if you like it, and then at that point sign on it. So that's the thing whenever we're looking at anything under 600,000 here in the North Dallas area. There's not that many builders that can do that for you. Once you go at a higher price point, then at that point they can pretty much do a spec job for you and just customize it for you. But for this price point, this is as good as it gets. And in my opinion, to keep it at a really, really good price point, it's not a bad idea. So we're gonna be going in underneath the staircase. We're gonna find a switch that's gonna give us some more storage space underneath the staircase, which I think is really cool. I travel a lot, so I would have all my luggage there. And probably, if not that, then I'll probably just do like a little door here. I have 3 dogs, so that way it's more accessible for them and I can just make it into a little doggy area. This is gonna be half bath, so it's gonna be two full baths, and this is gonna be the half bathroom. So in total it's 2.5. So pretty standard size. Not much to look at. And also here you're gonna have the laundry room that would connect to the garage. So you have some cabinet space there. Let's see, the garage, they're currently using it as a little storage area, so not much to see here. But it's gonna be a 2-car garage. So another point of view of this beautiful floor plan. And yes, this one is going for $326, you guys. Can you guys believe that? These builders are literally, making these deals work for buyers right now, especially since we're in a buyer's market. Now, if you call me in 6 months, or if you call me in a year from now, I'm not sure what those prices would look like. This is obviously the prices change based on the market. So if you see this video and it's like 6 months old, I'm not sure what the prices could be at that point. So this is the hallway. Here we're gonna have bedroom number 2, which is spacious size, not the smallest, not the biggest. It's about 11 by 11. And one thing I do like about it though, it's gonna be this closet. It's a walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. So that's 1 point plus that this floor plan gets. And also you're gonna have the full bathroom with 2 sinks. That's another good point out that I like that. Then we're gonna have bedroom number 3, which is also about 11 by 11, so not the smallest. But also take a look at this closet. It's also really good size. So this is bedroom number 3. We got one more bedroom to go, and we'll finish off this video. But just like I said, you guys, if y'all are a first-time buyer and if you qualify for an FHA loan, this home right now the builders are offering a 3.99% rate, which could put your monthly payment with the minimum down payment of around $15,000, could put your monthly payment around $2,500 a month, which is great news, especially if you're renting for that much. Take a look at the nice insulation that they add into these homes. They make them a lot more energy efficient. This is gonna be bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4. They made this into the girls' room. The girls, as you guys know, they always get the best rooms. This one has the view to the street, to the main entrance of the home. And not just that, but take a look at this closet space. It's really nice for secondary bedrooms, you guys. This type of closet is really hard to find on homes this size. Just like I said, a really nice new construction neighborhood. So no, we're not putting you in a unsafe neighborhood. But if y'all are interested, I'll be more than happy to help you guys out, give you guys a free consultation, and then from there figure out what works the best for you guys. If it's this location, if it's another location, we work all around the DFW, so it would be a matter of finding out what your specific needs are and help you from there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos.